Hey guys, how's it going? This is Karol from Undisputed Market, and if you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research on YouTube on what is email marketing and how does it work. So in this video, we're going to dive deep into this topic. We're going to actually talk about it in great detail, and you're going to learn how you can really leverage the power of it for your own purposes. So let's start with the whole idea of email marketing. Let's start with the core of it, what it is in essence and how does it work. So email marketing in its core is basically a form of business that is literally widely used in all sorts of businesses. It can be either an e-commerce shop, an online business, a website, a blog, it can be an offline business such as brick and mortar store. Whatever it is, it can be widely used in all sorts of businesses, and it actually is used in all sorts of businesses. And now email marketing in its core is basically a way for you to keep in touch with your potential customers, to get them know and notify them whenever you have something new, some promotion or whatever it is, some new content that you want to share with them. And now many people don't talk about it or don't know about this, but email marketing even today is one of the most powerful, most popular and most effective ways of marketing of form of businesses even today. And now the basic idea behind this, and the reason because this is so powerful, is that you can literally keep in touch with people no matter how long it takes. It doesn't cost you anything, or okay, it doesn't cost you that much because you gotta pay the cost for the autoresponder or the emailing software, but in its essence the email that you are sending doesn't really cost you anything, and it is very convenient for the customer to really read and open the email or from you. And now emailing basically starts in, you could possibly experience it in many different ways, and the whole idea behind this is and how it starts is by the product owner or the business capturing your email address into their emailing list, and therefore whenever they want, they can send you an email with their promotions. And now capturing the email basically starts with many different forms. If it is a blog or website, they usually have like a pop-up window or places where you can opt in for their newsletter to get notified whenever they have some promotion or whenever they have some new content. If it is an e-commerce shop or some website, there usually is like a small some small sentence with a checkbox that notify me whenever you have any new content, any new promotion, whatever it is, right? And also in online businesses, such as, for example, affiliate marketing, which is what I do, you can literally build your entire business around email marketing by capturing the email addresses of your potential customers. And now, having said that, email marketing is literally the form of way to keep in touch with your customer. And if you're in internet businesses and online businesses, then really the power of email marketing lies in keeping in touch with your customer. And what I like to use is the relationship between you and your customer, because you gotta understand that when a customer or a potential customer checks out your offer and they land on your page, then they don't really know you, right? Because you're a complete stranger on the internet. They just browsed through some articles or whatever it is, some offers, and they got to your website. And now if you're not obviously if you're offering some physical products from a well-known brand for a good price, then that's a little bit different. But if you're promoting something else or some of your own products, then they are not really ready to buy, because you're a complete stranger from you and their guards are very much up. And that is exactly why you want to capture their email address, because that allows you to keep in touch with them, build a relationship with them by providing them a valuable content for that specific person, and thus build the relationship between the customer and you. And now the whole relationship between you and the customer stands on three most important pillars, which is know, like and trust. the customer needs to know, like, and trust you before they buy from you. And once you achieve this, you can literally sell anything. And this is exactly what email marketing is very much useful for you, because it allows you to really keep in touch with them on a regular basis. You can automate the whole email marketing system, so you don't necessarily need to, you know, write each email manually and send it over. It is just done, you know, automatically. And this is really the power inside of email marketing. So I hope you understand the concept of email marketing, how powerful it can be. And you know, especially if you're working in online business, for example, an affiliate marketing business or whatever else business it is, you can literally build your business around email marketing because it is so much powerful. Especially, you know, when you learn how to promote products, how to literally put the strategy inside your email marketing into your emails, how to write them out, and you build that relationship between you and the customer, then you can literally sell anything, and you are going to be very much successful. So this is it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you got lots of value from it. And listen, if you are not a subscriber yet of my channel, just go ahead and subscribe. It should be somewhere over there, the red button, subscribe. Give me thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know in the comments below what you think about email marketing, if you like it, if you have any experience with it, what do you think about it. And listen, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you are interested in an online business and build, you know, your whole income around affiliate marketing, around online business, I've created a free 4-day video series for all of you guys who are interested in it but don't really know what it is about or how does it work, how to start. So if you are interested in this 4-day free video series, then I highly encourage you to click the link in the description below, and you will get access, free access and full access to my 4-day free video series, where you will learn each day something new about affiliate marketing and how to exactly use it and how to exactly build it for yourself. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.